What happens to your body when you eat the mixture of papaya and banana? When you eat papaya and banana together, several things can happen, including combining papaya and banana can contribute to your overall nutrient intake as they provide several essential vitamins and minerals. Here's a closer look at the nutrient intake when you eat these fruits together. Vitamin C. Papaya is rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that supports the immune system, promotes skin health, and aids in wound healing. A medium-sized papaya can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin A. Papaya is also a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for vision, skin health, and immune function. It contains beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Potassium. Bananas are known for their high potassium content. Potassium is crucial for maintaining proper muscle function, nerve function, and regulating blood pressure. Vitamin B6. Bananas are a good source of vitamin B6, pyridoxine, which is important for brain health, metabolism, and the formation of red blood cells. Fiber. Both papaya and bananas contain dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps maintain regular bowel movements, and supports overall gut health. Natural sugars. These fruits contain natural sugars, providing a quick source of energy. It's important to include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet to ensure a well-rounded intake of different nutrients. Eating a wide range of foods can help you meet your daily nutrient requirements and promote overall health. Eating papaya and banana together can potentially aid in digestion due to the presence of digestive enzymes in papaya and the fiber content in both fruits. Here's how they can contribute to improved digestion. Digestive enzymes. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which can help break down proteins in the digestive system. This can assist in the digestion of protein-rich foods and make the process smoother for your stomach. Amylase. Bananas contain amylase, an enzyme that helps break down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars. This enzyme can support the digestion of starchy foods. Fiber. Both papaya and bananas are good sources of dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and supporting the overall health of your digestive tract. It adds bulk to your stool and can help prevent gastrointestinal issues. While these fruits can contribute to improved digestion, it's important to note that individual responses to food can vary. Some people may find that consuming papaya and bananas together helps them digest meals more comfortably, while others may not notice a significant difference. Additionally, a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables will contribute to overall digestive health. Combining papaya and banana can result in an enhanced flavor and texture experience when consuming these fruits together. Here's how this combination can create a more enjoyable eating experience. Contrasting flavors. Papaya and bananas have distinct and complementary flavor profiles. Papaya is sweet with a tropical, slightly musky flavor, while bananas have a creamy, mild sweetness. The contrasting flavors can provide a pleasing and dynamic taste sensation that many people find appealing. Textural contrast. Papaya and bananas also offer contrasting textures. Papaya is typically softer and somewhat grainy, while bananas are creamy and smooth. Combining these different textures can create a pleasant contrast that adds to the overall enjoyment of the dish. Natural sweetness. Both papaya and bananas are naturally sweet fruits. Their inherent sweetness can make the combination especially enjoyable for those with a sweet tooth, offering a healthier alternative to sugary snacks and desserts. Versatility. The enhanced flavor and texture combination of papaya and banana makes them versatile ingredients that can be used in a variety of culinary applications. You can enjoy them as a fruit salad, blend them into smoothies, use them as toppings for yogurt or oatmeal, or incorporate them into desserts like fruit sorbets or parfaits. The combination of papaya and banana is not only delicious but also nutritious, making it an excellent choice for a satisfying and wholesome snack or meal. It's a great way to add a touch of variety to your fruit consumption while taking advantage of the unique flavors and textures each fruit brings to the table. Papaya and bananas are both good sources of dietary fiber, and consuming them together can contribute to your fiber intake. Here's how the fiber content in these fruits can be beneficial. Digestive health. Dietary fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to your stool, which can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. This can lead to more comfortable and efficient digestion. Feeling full. Fiber can help you feel full and satisfied after a meal. This can aid in controlling appetite and potentially support weight management by reducing the likelihood of overeating. Blood sugar regulation. Fiber can help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of sugar. This can be especially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Heart health. A diet high in fiber is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. It can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of high blood pressure. Weight management. Foods high in fiber are often less calorie dense, making them a good choice for those looking to manage their weight. Fiber can also reduce the absorption of some calories from other foods in your digestive system. Papaya and bananas contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which offer a range of health benefits. By including these fruits in your diet, you can increase your daily fiber intake in a tasty and nutritious way. However, it's essential to have a balanced diet that includes a variety of fiber sources from different fruits, vegetables, and whole grains for the best results. While papaya and bananas are generally well tolerated by most people, there is a potential for allergies to these fruits in some individuals. Allergic reactions to foods can vary in severity, ranging from mild symptoms to more severe, life-threatening reactions. Here's what you need to know about potential allergies to papaya and bananas. Papaya allergy. Allergies to papaya are relatively rare, but they can occur. The most common symptoms of a papaya allergy may include itching, swelling, or a rash in the mouth or throat. In more severe cases, it can lead to symptoms such as hives, difficulty breathing, or anaphylaxis. If you suspect a papaya allergy, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and guidance. Banana allergy. Banana allergies are also uncommon but can manifest in various ways. Symptoms of a banana allergy may include itching, hives, abdominal discomfort, or swelling. In some cases, a banana allergy can lead to anaphylaxis, which is a severe and life-threatening allergic reaction. If you suspect an allergy to either papaya or bananas, it's crucial to be cautious when consuming these fruits. Here are some tips. Avoid eating papaya or bananas and any products that contain them if you suspect an allergy. Consult with an allergist for proper allergy testing and diagnosis. Carry an epinephrine autoinjector if you have a known severe allergy to these fruits, as it can be life-saving in the event of an anaphylactic reaction. Read food labels carefully to check for any hidden sources of papaya or banana in packaged foods. If you experience any symptoms of an allergic reaction after consuming papaya or bananas, seek medical attention immediately. Allergies can be serious, and it's crucial to take them seriously and manage them appropriately. Papaya and bananas both contain natural sugars, and when you eat them together, you are consuming these natural sugars. Here's what you need to know about the sugar content in papaya and bananas. Papaya sugar content. Papayas are naturally sweet due to the presence of sugars, primarily fructose. The sugar content in papaya can vary depending on the ripeness of the fruit. Riper papayas tend to be sweeter and contain higher sugar levels, while less ripe papayas are less sweet. Banana sugar content. Bananas are known for their natural sweetness, with ripe bananas having a higher sugar content. The sugar in bananas is primarily in the form of glucose, fructose, and sucrose. Eating foods with natural sugars like those found in papaya and bananas can be a healthier alternative to foods with added sugars. Natural sugars are accompanied by other beneficial nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which can help mitigate the impact on blood sugar levels. If you are concerned about sugar intake for health reasons, such as managing diabetes or weight control, it's important to be mindful of portion sizes and the overall balance of your diet. While papaya and bananas can be part of a healthy diet, it's advisable to consume them in moderation and as part of a well-balanced meal plan. Additionally, consult with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian for personalized dietary guidance if you have specific health concerns related to sugar consumption. When you eat papaya and bananas together, it can contribute to a sense of satiety, or fullness, for several reasons. Fiber content. Both papaya and bananas are rich in dietary fiber. Fiber adds bulk to your diet, and it takes longer to digest, which can help you feel full for a longer period of time. This can be particularly beneficial for managing your appetite and preventing overeating. Hydration. Fruits like papaya and bananas have a high water content. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining a sense of fullness, as sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger. The water content in these fruits can help keep you well hydrated and reduce the likelihood of feeling hungry shortly after eating. Nutrient density. Papaya and bananas are nutrient-dense foods, meaning they provide essential vitamins and minerals along with the calories they contain. When you consume nutrient-dense foods, your body tends to feel more satisfied because it has received the necessary nutrients it needs. Natural sugars. The natural sugars in papaya and bananas can provide a quick source of energy and help curb hunger. To maximize the satiety effect, you can combine papaya and bananas with other foods rich in protein, healthy fats, and additional fiber. For example, you could enjoy them with yogurt, nuts, or whole grain cereal for a more balanced and satisfying meal or snack. While these fruits can contribute to a sense of fullness, it's important to consume them as part of a well-rounded and varied diet to ensure you're meeting all your nutritional needs. Remember that individual satiety can vary, and it's essential to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues to maintain a healthy relationship with food. In general, eating papaya and banana together can be a healthy and tasty choice, but it's essential to consider individual dietary needs and preferences. It's also a good idea to vary your fruit intake to get a wide range of nutrients from different sources.